Middleweight Sport Touring Motorcycles Honda Deauville Review, Classic Midweight Touring Option. In an age dominated by tech-heavy, high-horsepower motorcycles, the Honda Deauville remains a beacon of simplicity, comfort, and practicality in the middleweight sport touring motorcycle category. Although no longer in production, the Deauville still enjoys a strong following among riders who value dependable, long-distance performance with integrated touring features and minimal fuss. First introduced in the late 1990s and evolving through the 2000s, the Deauville, also known as the NT650V and later NT700V, was built with a clear mission: offer a low-maintenance, mid-capacity touring motorcycle that could tackle city commutes and weekend escapes with equal ease. Powered by a 52-degree V-twin engine producing around 65 horsepower, the Deauville offered smooth power delivery and excellent low-end torque, ideal for effortless highway cruising. What set the Deauville apart was its fully integrated panniers, shaft drive, and upright ergonomics. While other sport tourers required aftermarket luggage and chain maintenance, the Deauville came ready for the road. Its shaft drive system meant virtually maintenance-free touring, and the built-in side cases provided enough space for daily commutes or multi-day trips. With a curb weight of around 246 kilograms and a 19.5-liter fuel tank, the Deauville wasn't the lightest bike, but it excelled in comfort and durability. Its plush seat, adjustable windscreen, and stable chassis made it a dependable long-distance companion. Many Deauville riders report clocking well over 100,000 kilometers with minimal mechanical issues, testament to Honda's renowned reliability. YouTube legacy, still making rounds online. Though the Deauville is now a classic, it continues to attract attention on YouTube, where riders showcase its touring prowess and reflect on its lasting value. The Missenden Flyers Used Touring Gems series featured the Deauville as a forgotten hero, gaining over 600K views. Bikes and Beards highlighted it in Best Used Touring Bikes Under $5,000, praising its practicality, over 750K views. Ride with Waro's European Tour vlog showed a Deauville covering 3,000 plus km across France and Spain without missing a beat, 500K views. These videos reinforce what many seasoned riders already know: the Honda Deauville is a classic touring option that delivers real-world comfort, efficiency, and low running costs. Conclusion: a classic that still makes sense. While it may lack modern gadgets like TFT displays, ride modes, or electronic suspension, the Honda Deauville delivers where it matters: reliability, comfort, and everyday usability. For riders in search of a budget-friendly, low-maintenance touring motorcycle, the Deauville remains a timeless choice. Even years after its final production run, the Deauville still proves its worth as a midweight sport tourer that was ahead of its time. Whether you're buying used or reminiscing about past road trips, the Honda Deauville continues to represent the essence of practical motorcycling.